I broke my ankle. What happens to the ATM machines? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Hey there, my name is Carey Buck. I'm an ATM business owner. I've been one since 2009, and I'm an ATM business mentor. I've been doing that since 2011. That's why I teach people just like you how to start and grow profitable ATM businesses. Why would you want to start an ATM business? Could be a bunch of reasons, could be one reason. A lot of folks want to get rid of their 9 to 5 jobs. Some folks want to supplement their retirement. Some folks haven't saved for retirement yet, and this is going to be their retirement. Some folks want to start investing smaller amounts of capital instead of big amounts of capital in order to make a decent return. And some folks just want to put their money to work for them instead of them always working for their money. Whatever the reason is, it's personal to each individual person, right? Why you should let me help you start your own ATM business? I'm going to save you time, money, and headaches. If you'd like me to help you start your own ATM business, go to atmtrainingvideo.com. Again, that's atmtrainingvideo.com. So, you might notice a couple things different right at this moment. Number one, my hair. That's because I just literally got out of the shower, and since I have a broken ankle, I really don't feel like drying it and putting my product in, which my product, by the way, I love. It's called Muck. I use the hard Muck in the red container, and it makes it stand straight up and doesn't make it smell like gross or anything, and it's just amazing. But anyways, I just got out of the shower, and I really don't feel like doing it. Just laying in bed all day. Yes, you are in my bedroom. Welcome to my bedroom. Here you go. Oh, that's our wall. My wife put that up there. Ain't she cute putting that stuff up there? And we do always kiss goodnight. You should always kiss your spouse goodnight. Even if you guys had a little tiff or anything, always kiss him goodnight. Anyways, so, and yeah, my boy's here too. He's been keeping me company all week. So it's Saturday when I'm recording this video right now. And I broke my ankle Tuesday, March 31st. Tuesday, March 31st. Had to get up real early in the morning to take my wife to Pennsylvania to have a medical procedure done. And what she was having done, she wasn't allowed to. Look at my hair. It's crazy. I don't know what I'm going to do. I need a haircut. What she was having done, she wasn't allowed to drive, like, afterwards. Like, that's why, obviously, I took her, right? So I could drive her. So I dropped her off probably like 8:30 in the morning. And then I went to my mother-in-law's house, who literally lives, like, I don't know, 10 minutes away from where I dropped my wife off. And Joe, youngest stepson, who's home now, because college is kind of shut down and they're just doing all online stuff, so he's back home living with us. I was at my mother-in-law's house getting the rest of his stuff because he was living with her. And we're packing my car up, and the second to last box. So I put the second to last box in, and then actually it was a hamper. And I come around the back of the car, and I'm parked in her garage. So she's got like you know how there's a lip to a garage? She's got like 2. And I don't even know what happened, but that was all she wrote. And I heard it snap, and didn't really fall on the ground because she was there, and she kind of caught me, But yeah, it sucked. Never had a broken ankle before. And then at that moment, they called me to tell me to come get my wife. Like, she's done. And I'm like, shit. So I drive to the hospital to get my wife. Not the hospital, but to this medical center to get my wife. And I asked them, I'm like, can she drive? They're like, absolutely not. And I'm like, shit. And they're like, why? And I'm like, I think I broke my ankle. So anyways, she comes out, and I drive myself to go get an x-ray. And then we find an orthopedic, actually the guy who took care of my broken elbow before. We found an orthopedic who would see us that day, and literally 15 minutes later, we came in, and he's like, yeah, it's broken, and he gave me a boot, and told me what to do and whatnot. But then, and I don't know if you've ever broken an ankle, but it's kind of painful, obviously. can't really walk too great. So then, with this whole coronavirus stuff, we only have 2 ATMs up and running. And I'm getting ready to say this, and it's going to sound horrible, but fortunately, they're not going through that much money as they normally would, right? I know that sounds horrible to say that, but, with a broken ankle, that's how I'm thinking right now. But then the other day, one of them just started going through a lot, and I'm like, oh, crap, we're going to have to go fill this thing. Actually, no, that's not what happened. They called us and said they had an issue. And I told them, like, you gotta wait like a day or so, because my wife was doing something, I forget. But anyways, yesterday, we went there, and normally I just go do it by myself, but I got a freaking broken ankle. I can't walk, and this is in an area that's not the best, this particular place. So me, my wife, and my mother-in-law and her dog all went to go check out this location to see what was wrong with it. And I carry a gun with me. I concealed carry. And so I was the one who had the gun because my trigger finger still works even though my ankle's broken. So my wife took care of the machine and then put more money in it, so we wouldn't have to go, back there for a while, hopefully. And then I just stood there with my gimpy one-legged self, and we were pretty much in and out. And the toughest part was getting out of the Jeep, because my car is still in Pennsylvania, because my mother-in-law drove us, since neither one of us could drive on Tuesday, she drove us back to the beach with in her car. So the toughest part was getting out of the Jeep. Like, it hurt because I'm not thinking all the time. I'm not used to having a broken ankle, and I just got out the wrong way. My hair is driving me crazy. I might have to go dry it and put some product in it. Nah, I'm not going to, because after this, I'm not going to see it. So anyways, this whole coronavirus thing, probably, I don't want to say, I'm not going to say it's working out, because it sucks. We all know it sucks. But breaking my ankle during this was probably a perfect time to break my ankle. Do you know what I mean? Versus some other time. Because normally I might be worried about tons of ATMs and tons of events that we have coming up, because we've already had ones canceled. We've had them postponed, rescheduled. So I would normally be worried about that stuff with my ankle, because I can't do shit, But because everything's going on with the coronavirus and we're sheltering in place, I'm just chilling mostly. I've been watching movies like crazy. But the ATMs are, again, I'm going to say fortunately, but it's probably unfortunate. Fortunately, they're going a little slow right now, so I don't have to worry about them. So I literally am laying in bed all day with my leg up, and I go through between my wife coming in and putting ice on it, and then putting my boot on and bandaging it and all that stuff. Right now it's free. Anyway, that's what's going on with me, guys. Just don't break your ankle. Got any questions? Post them below. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to click that ATM right there and subscribe to this channel, and then click that bell, the notifications, and click all, so every time I post a video, you're notified of it. All right. Post comments below. Post questions below. Post ideas for new videos below. So this week I came back Tuesday, and that night I did do my coaching call with my students. But after that, I was like, I did not do nothing in regards to any business. My ATM business, training business, nothing. I was like, I don't care. I'm just going to chill. I'm just going to relax. Today, before I made this video, I just been watching movies all day. Actually, all day yesterday and all day today. But I'm going to get back into it next week. Right? I think it's just this first week for me, because I'm an old lady. Like, I can't heal fast like young bucks. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, I'm just going to take it easy this week, and then next week I'll get back into some more things, So again, any questions, post them below. Any ideas for new videos, post those below. And don't forget to give me some thumbs up. Some thumbs up. Some thumb ups. No, thumbs up. Some thumb ups. Give me some of these. Click the like button, will you? I can't talk. And then again, click that right there. Oops. And subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification button. Hit all, so every time, like the little bell, hit all. So every time I post a video, you're notified of it. And again, if you'd like me to help you start your own ATM business, go to atmtrainingvideo.com. Again, that's atmtrainingvideo.com. And don't you dare make any comments on my hair. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great day, and may you live happily off of passive income.